Hey guys, hope so you all are fine, doing great, and we are back with another amazing video. And today we have another UI design, that is the login and registration page. So take a look first of the that is the getting started page. So welcome to the Max Spence. That is a random name over there of that. So that is the first screen of the app, and after that, that one is the dashboard over there. Okay, then after the login sign up, that we take a look at the end. Once if the user will click on that login page, the user will navigate to that login screen over there. And if the user want to register, user will navigate to that register page. Once the user will log in, also user will be able to log in with the Google account too. And if the user here want to log in with the email, the user will do that with an email too. And if the user want to log in with the Google, the user will also do that too. All the screen and all the data that will provide an ease to the user will available in that UI design. So that register page, which user will enter their necessary data. That one is the email, name, and password. Once the user will enter all their data, then user will click on that register account. After that, user will get a verification code on their email. That screen will also help you to authenticate the user is valid or not. Once the validation will done, then user will move to that uh, dashboard screen. Okay, after that, okay, here register. Once the registration done, then user will move to that dashboard screen. Or if the user will log in successfully, then user will also then move to the dashboard screen. Let's say if the user will forget their password of an app here, then user will click on that. Once user will click on that, then user will navigate to the that forget password screen, where user first of all user will ask to enter their email. Once user enter, then an verification code will receive to the user, and after entering that verification and verifying that code, then user will ask to enter their new password. So that is the UI screen of a mobile app for login and sign up authentication process basically. So you can download that design link. I will provide the link of that design in the description. That is a Figma file, so you can download that easily. So also visit the flutterstuff.com for Flutter's data